tomorrow at exactly 10 a.m.
No problem, sir. It should be finished by then.
Yes, sir. Bye. Good morning, sir. Good morning, guard.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Has she been here?
Yes, sir. Pagdating ko po kaninang 4 a.m., andito na po siya.
Okay. Thank you.
Barrieta, still here?
I'm completely worn out. This Patterson presentation is a disaster. At ako lang lahat ang gumagawa.
Yeah, it's a huge project. I'm done with the competitor analysis. Check it out on the shared drive.
The ad, with all due respect, your work is indicate it lacks deep, proper context, and crucial comparative data. Our workload agreement was equal, but your contributions is lack. Market research, content brief, most presentation slides, unfairly burdened and resentful.
I had a few other urgent tasks, The Johnson account needed immediate attention, and then there was that last-minute request from Susan. I just got behind.
I understand that you are busy, but this crucial presentation due next week requires more collaboration. My weeks of work deserve a fair partnership, not last-minute rush. This is not just about the project. It's about our working relationship and team morale. I'm concerned about the deadline and unsupported.
I'm sorry. I misjudged how long this presentation would take. Other tasks took precedence, and I worked late tonight and tomorrow to finish it.
Good morning, sir. Here's our presentation.
Please. Jabal dati yan.
Thank you, sir.
Maraming salamat, Barreta, sa pagtulong sa atin na maayos lahat ng files.
It's okay, Tiab. It's our responsibility na maging maayos ang project na ito.
Good morning, ma'am. This is my report.
Okay, thank you. I will check.
Bornales didn't even contribute to this part of the project. This isn't right. If I report this, what will happen? Bornales is popular, and I could be seen as troublemaker. But if I don't say anything, I'm complicit. What if this leads to bigger issues down the line?
Hey Sri, can I talk to you about something?
Of course. What's up?
I've noticed some troubling behavior from journalists. They've been manipulating data and reports and taking credit of my work. I'm not sure what to do.
Hirap na sitwasyon yan. It's commendable that you want to address it, but you have to consider the potential fallout. If you report it, you might face backlash. If you don't, it could harm the team and the company.
I'm worried about how it might affect my relationships at work. But I also know that integrity is important.
Maybe you could document what you observe and approach HR. You could handle it confidentially and protect your identity.
Good morning.
Hi, Clyde. Thanks for coming in. What's on your mind?
I've been noticing some concerning behavior from Bornales. They've been manipulating data and reports and taking credit for work that isn't theirs. I'm worried about the implications of our team and the company. I appreciate you bringing this to my attention. It's not easy to speak up, especially about our team. I assure you that we take this matter seriously. Your confidentiality will be protected.
Thank you, Generals. I just want to make sure we're all held to the same standards.
Bernales, thank you for meeting with me. I need to discuss some serious concern that has been brought to my attention regarding your recent reports.
What do you mean? I've been working hard on those.
I understand that, but there are differences in the data that suggest manipulation and instances of taking credit for work that isn't yours. This is a violation of our ethical standards.
I didn't mean to mislead anyone. I thought I was just organized the process.
This behavior is unacceptable. We need to address this to maintain the integrity of our team and the trust of our clients. We will be implementing corrective measures and additional training on ethical practices.
I was scared, but I did the right thing. It's not just about me, it's about the integrity of our team and the trust we build with our clients. I hope this encourages others to speak up too.
Hello everyone, I am the new representative of Miss Miranda.
Everyone, any suggestion for upcoming program?
Yes.
Baka magandang idea rin na magkaroon tayo ng mga team buildings para mas mag-bond ang ating department.
Yes. Isa pang idea, baka pwede tayong mag-invite ng mga guest speaker na may inspiring story para magbigay ng mga motivation sa lahat.
Magandang suggestion yun, Jerwin. Mas magiging successful ang program kung alam natin ang mga preference ng mga empleyado.
Yes, I agree.
Absolutely.
Joshua, may I speak with you for a moment?
Of course, Atang. What's in your mind?
I've been in a few meetings now, but it feels like I'm being left out of important discussions. I feel like my idea and opinions are not being considered. Parang hindi nila ako pinapansin and I don't know if I'm doing something wrong.
I understand how you might be feeling important to me. Not everyone feels good, especially you, since you are new.
Salamat Joshua. Gusto ko lang sanang makipag-contribute pero nahirapan pa akong magpakahayag na parang they don't acknowledge that I say. Could you maybe help guide me on how to join the conversation better next time?
I will help you with that. I also speak to the team about making sure they're more open to hiring for everyone, including you. You are an important part of the school.
Excuse me everyone, can I have your attention for a while? Medyo nahihirapan po ako makapasok sa mga discussions lately, and I feel like I'm being left out of some of the decision-making process. I want to be part of the conversation and share my thoughts, but I feel like they are not being heard.
I wasn't aware you feel like that. Sorry about that, Atam. I promise next time, mas aware na kami na isama ka sa mga decision. Let's keep the lines open, ha?
Exactly. We value your perspective. Atang, you are part of the team in your input matter.
We didn't mean to leave you out. Next time, we will ensure that you have a chance to participate more.
Salamat everyone. I just needed to speak up and let you know how I'm feeling. I really want to help and appreciate your understanding.
activity include everyone in our discussion. Atang, please feel to jump in any time. We want to hear what you have to say, Atang.
Joshua, I just want to thank for addressing the team today.
It's important for everyone to feel valued here. Keep sharing your ideas, Atang.
Salamat din for guiding me through this. It really made a difference.
Feel free to reach out, Atang. I'm here to help you.
Paano ko ba ito umpisa?